Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going grocery shopping, so I figured I would bring you guys along and show you what I get and do like a grocery haul kind of thing. I got asked a lot about that after I did my grocery tips video, so might as well take advantage of the time I'm going grocery shopping and film that for you. I'm gonna try to get some footage while I'm in the grocery store, but it might be on my phone because I don't know, like using my camera in public when I'm by myself just kind of makes me gives me a little anxiety about that. So I'll probably, whatever I do film will most likely be from my phone. So apologies in advance, I guess, for that, but it's better than nothing, right? So yeah, I'll be going grocery shopping, going to Whole Foods. Let's do it. These sunglasses are absolutely freaking ridiculous, but I'm obsessed with them. And also, my eyes are really sensitive to light, so yeah, filming that just now without sunglasses was very difficult. You probably could see my eyes squinting and stuff, but these sunglasses make an appearance. If you watched my try-on haul video when I got these sunglasses, you'll know that these sunglasses make me feel some type of way. Bad bitch mode activated. Alright guys, so I got my list. I use an app called Wonderlist for my grocery list. It makes it really easy, so I have everything. And then in my purse, I have, I don't know if you could see, my little like produce reusable bags. I put all my produce in these so I don't use plastic. And then all my other reusable bags, if it'll focus, are in my back seat waiting for me to grab them. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and start shopping. So every time I go to Whole Foods, I always get this as like a lunch for myself afterwards. And I don't know if it's just like my local Whole Foods that has these, but they are so good. Like, whoa, look at this. So freaking good. The ingredients are so good. It's raw. Love this. So I'm gonna sit here in my car, eat this for lunch, and then go home and unpack everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the frozen stuff. There really isn't much, just so I can get it in the freezer. So first, I have these frozen dark cherries. I love to put these in smoothies. They just really make some smoothies so good, like with chocolate protein powder. Love those. And then I got this huge bag of organic broccoli. I use broccoli so much when I cook, so having this really big organic bag of them that I can just pop in the freezer is perfect. And then I saw this. It's vegan pistachio ice cream. Now, I've never had this before. This was like my treat item that I bought, and yeah, like it just looks so good. So I'll definitely update you guys on what I think about this, but yeah, really excited to try that. Next we have just refrigerated stuff. So I got myself some soy milk. This is one of my staple milks that I have all the time. Some apple juice. My husband really likes this, so go me for being a good wife and buying that. And then this is like a staple in my life. I use this a lot as like a sour cream, and it's also really good if you mix some fruit with it as an actual yogurt. But I found this. I haven't tried this yet. Plant-based protein yogurt. Now I love Forager. I'm a huge fan of everything that they put out. So when I saw this, 8 grams of protein per serving, and the ingredients are so good. Everything is just so good. Like the biggest thing here is no added sugars. I love that. So I'm really excited. I'm probably gonna try this for breakfast tomorrow. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like this on my food Instagram. I'm really excited about this. And then I got my favorite hummus. This is the hummus that I use all the time when I don't make my own hummus. I've been lazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ma'am, I'm trying to film. What you doing? You chasing your tail over there? What are you doing? What are both of you doing? But yeah, anyway, this is my favorite hummus. I always get this one. Really good. And then I got one of these. This is my favorite flavor of these drinks. I usually buy these at my gym, but when I saw it at Whole Foods, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get one, put it in the fridge, and I'll probably have this after my workout today. So next I have all of my produce. So I got some baby bok choy, dinosaur kale, which is my favorite type of kale. And I got really excited because they had some tropical fruits today. So I got some star fruit, Really excited about this. I love star fruit. And then I got some jalapenos because I want to make some guac. No, you cannot be up here right now. Absolutely not. No. Jalapenos. I got these grape tomatoes. I got 2 of them because I'm gonna make some sun-dried tomatoes with them. They, in my opinion, are the best to make sun-dried tomatoes. Dude, I said no. You gotta get down. This is not okay. I said no. Go. Get. Stay. And then back here, I've got some bell peppers in different colors. And then I got 2 yellow dragon fruits. The yellow ones are my favorite. I think they're the sweetest. Love these. So I got 2 of those. Some baby spinach, a staple I throw into smoothies or just in a lot of dishes that I make. Some olives. Love to have these again in just like random Buddha bowls. Some purple cabbage, which I'm gonna use because I want to make another like ramen stir fry kind of bowl with noodles. And the last time I made it, I didn't have this and I really wanted to have this. So I got that this time. This is a purple sweet potato. Avocados, of course, gotta have avocados. Broccolini, I got 2. I'm probably gonna have this tonight. I love broccolini sauteed in a pan with like some baby spinach. Maybe some kale going on with that. It'll be so good. Some green onions. This is again is gonna be for that noodle bowl that I wanna make. A cucumber. The organic ones are only in this plastic, which was really kind of annoying, but whatever. It's like a really long cucumber. And then 2 things of bananas because we go through bananas a lot. And then sweet onions and then a red onion. That's gonna be for the guac that I'm gonna make when the avocados are ready. So that's all the produce. Some of the stuff I'm gonna wash, like these. I soak them with white vinegar and water for 10 minutes, and that's how I wash them. So I have to do that. Whoa, almost lost a jalapeno. I have to do that. And then I'll just do the last of the stuff is just like stuff that's gonna go in my pantry. So I got some brown rice cakes. My favorite pasta sauce is this brand, and I love the tomato basil one. It is so good. This was like another little treat. These bars are one of my favorites. They have protein in them if it'll, yeah, 12 grams of protein, but it tastes like a chocolate bar. Freaking love these. They're not like the healthiest thing in the world because there is a ton of sugar in it. Hold on, where? Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. See, 14 grams of sugar, all added sugar, but still really, really love it. So I have that as a treat. And then I got my favorite pasta. I was literally all out of it, so I had to get a bunch of it. So I get the linguine. Elbows, because I want to make some vegan mac and cheese. Penne, and then shells. These are like my favorite of the pasta shapes. And Bonza is my favorite brand. That's the only pasta I buy. And then I got a tea, dandelion chai tea. This sounded so good. And I've heard a lot about dandelion root, and I want to have more of it in my diet. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, we're gonna try that tea. That'll be good. And then I got just 1 can of black beans and some sesame oil that I'm gonna use for some stir fries. I was all out of it. So that'll do it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little grocery haul and enjoyed it. If you want some tips on grocery shopping as a vegan and saving money and all that stuff, check out my vegan grocery shopping tips video. I filmed that like a week ago or so, and it's super helpful if you're looking for tips. What was else? Oh, and today I spent $136. The last time I went grocery shopping was 2 weeks ago, so for 2 weeks, that's pretty good. I didn't have to get anything big or major this time. I think last time I went grocery shopping, I had to get like cashews and nuts and like some things that typically are more expensive. So today I didn't really have to get anything like too big or expensive, which is nice. But yeah, these groceries will last me at least 10 days, if not another 2 weeks. I try to go grocery shopping every 10 days, 2 weeks, if not longer. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new and like to see more of my content, definitely hit that subscribe button below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to follow me on social media if you don't already. I post on both my Twitter and Instagram every single day. Here's my @ so follow me there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.